Genetically, my family has bad teeth. It goes back to my grandfather, my father, both my brother and my sister. They became a problem. I'm 77 years old, so the older I grew in age, the more my teeth were becoming a problem for me. But my teeth became so weak at the base that they started to break off when I would chew on certain foods. And during meals, I would simply just break off a tooth without any pain. My primary care dentist recommended me to this office. And it was one of the blessings of my life, really, because the care is just outstanding. And that's why I came to New Haven Implant and Oral Surgery.
So I first met Bill, about 5 or 6 years ago when he cracked a tooth. He was anxious to both have the tooth out because he was in pain, as well as replace it as soon as possible. And he was already made aware of dental implants by the referring dentist who he's seen for many years. So he came in and I was able to remove the tooth, place the dental implant the same day, which in many circumstances in our office we try to do because it shortens the healing time significantly, and that was very important to Bill given his active lifestyle, and he's big into playing golf and visiting his family, so it was very important to him to have the shortest period of time from implant placement to the restoration. Fortunately or unfortunately, we've gotten to know Bill over the years because he has fractured several other teeth along the way, and the vast majority we have been able to also deliver immediate implant placement and getting him to his final goal. And as of right now, we've probably done 8 or 9 implants on him, which are all restored and complete. And so he's super happy, and we've become very invested in his success as a patient, and he's able to function and smile the way he did when I first met him about 6 years ago.
And everyone here is simply wonderful in terms of their interest and their care. So I was fortunate in that my doctor referred me here, my primary care doctor referred me here, and it was one of the best blessings of my life, truly was. And I appreciate all of their work that they do for me to make me whole in terms of my dental needs.